Hi everyone, I'm Sunny Chiltepin. Welcome to our Wrenches and Roses series.
iPull's Wrenches and Roses series with Sunny Chiltepin.
When you're working in the yard, you want to make sure that your car is safe and properly set, and this is how you check. You want to also make sure that you look out for insects that can sting or bite you, which is more common than you think, especially wasps or black widows. And when you're working inside of the car, you want to make sure that you look for sharp objects and needles. And now I'm going to put on my safety gear. I'm going to stabilize the hood to prevent any head injuries. Now we're going to look at all the bolts so that we can see how we can safely remove the drivetrain. You're going to want to remove the bolt at the bottom of the steering column down here, right there in the white, and if you don't remove it now, it's going to be harder to remove it later. So I removed all of the bolts from the frame, and this is going to be my last one right here. Ta-da! I'm going to remove the last bolts on the mount now. So we just dropped the engine. Ta-da! Ring, ring, ring. Now we're going to cut all of the wires and cables to detach it from the vehicle. So we're going to need a seatbelt to move our engine and transmission. So when you come to the yard, you want to make sure you get one from a car that's not going to sell and that's old and dingy like this one. Now that I had my team help me drag out the engine, we are going to separate the transmission. If you're looking to pull the transmission, it's going to be right here. And if you're looking to pull the engine, it's going to be right here. Alright boys, it's ready to take up.